Hello, dear friends. This is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a cue card, describe an invention that has changed how people live. Let's begin with the cue card. Describe an invention that has changed how people live. When you speak on this cue card, you have to cover the following cues. You should say what it is, how has it changed people's lives, what benefits did it bring, and explain if it is more important for older or younger people. Now, let's begin with the simple answer for this cue card. Well, recent scientific discoveries have made a great impact on people's lifestyle. Because of that, now we live a less laborious life. Here, I'm going to talk about the invention of the Google search engine, which has revolutionized everyone's life. Google is an American tech giant which introduced its search engine in 1998. Currently, it is the most used online search engine in the world, which handles more than 3.5 billion searches per day. Google search engine is extremely useful in everyone's daily lives because they can easily find anything within seconds using it. I have to say, individuals can find locations, read news reports, check weather forecasts, etc. on Google at the touch of a button. At the same time, for their entertainment, they can watch listening videos or listen to songs by searching on it. Before the invention of the Google search engine, it was not easy for individuals to do such kinds of tasks, or they had to depend on other sources like TV channels or newspapers. Moreover, due to the availability of smartphones and the internet, individuals can search about any topic and can acquire knowledge from anywhere in the world. It is really beneficial for older people as well as youngsters because they can use it as per their own needs. Older people can use its voice recognition feature to search for anything, which is easier than typing something manually. Besides, young individuals can search for free online courses which can help them become knowledgeable and experts. Therefore, I believe due to all these reasons, this is great invention which has a positive effect on people's life. So this was the simple answer for this cue card. Now let's begin with the follow-ups that can be asked for this cue card. The very first one is, how has technology made our life easier? I would say technology has made our lives much easier than ever before. In the past, things that used to take a lot of time and energy can now be done by just clicking a button. For example, people can now easily send a message to anyone in the world, whereas we used to write letters in the past. Next question is, which invention do you think is the most useful at home? All inventions are very useful at home, but I personally like the invention of the microwave, which I find more useful than any other appliances. People can easily prepare meals using a microwave while doing their other tasks. Moreover, those who don't know cooking at all can also find it easier to make something in a microwave than on a stove. Next question is it more difficult for old people to accept new technologies? Yes, older individuals find it difficult to use the latest technology because of their age. In the later stage, it is hard for them to learn new things as they are not used to them. Moreover, most of them may not have proper knowledge to acquire new information, so they try to avoid using new technology. Next question is, what can be done to help old people learn to make use of new technologies? I would say family members can assist old people to acquire new technologies at home. They can guide them by teaching them simple tasks like making a call or sending a message or smartphones, which would obviously boost their confidence and encourage them to learn more. Then they can attend classes or seminars where trainers can provide them necessary information in a more simple and easy manner. Next question is, will our life be better if we live without technology? I believe if we live without technology, we will live a stressful life. We do not have to immediately respond to certain things if we do not have a mobile phone, which will reduce our tension. However, we have become so used to this technology that we can't think of our life without it. So these were the sample answers for this cue card. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will get a notification when we upload a new video. We also live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Do follow us there for latest updates. Thank you for being here.